Hello my dear friends, welcome back. So in this video you will learn 5 key pillars for successful stock investing. And pillar number 1 is CA. CA is not chartered accountancy, but it is contrarian approach. See, to make money in the stock market it is very simple. Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Put it simply, buy when everyone is selling and sell when everyone is buying. That is what we call as contrarian approach. So the simple fact is you have to buy low and sell high to make money in the stock market. But what majority of people do is they buy high, sell low and eventually lose their money in the stock market. But have to buy low and sell high. The simple technique is buy in bear market when the stocks are trading at dead cheap prices and sell in bull market when the stocks are trading at gigantic valuations. Now what majority of people will do is basically reverse. They buy in bull market when stocks are trading at expensive prices and sell in bear market when the prices are dead cheap and eventually they end up losing money. So principle number 1 or pillar number 1 is contrarian approach. Now what is principle number 2? Emotional strength. See, emotional strength is a prerequisite to be a contrarian. See, if you don't have emotional strength, then you cannot bet against the crowd, right? So emotional strength is the prerequisite to bet against the crowd. And 99% of people doesn't have emotional strength. You know why? Because they invest based on tips. See, you can borrow a stock idea, but you cannot borrow the conviction. And 99% of people lack conviction and they lack emotional strength. So they are basically trend followers. They are merely trend followers. So never invest your hard-earned money based on tips. And let me tell you, my dear friends, tips and recommendations is the biggest scam in India. Yes, it is the biggest scam in India. And in episode 3, I'll cover this scam. So I'll take care of the biggest scam in my next video. So pillar number 3 is think like a business owner. See, behind every stock there is a business. And when you are buying a stock, that means you are becoming a part owner in that business. So you should think like a business owner when you are investing in a stock. So, and you have to think in long term, not short term. Now pillar number 4 is invest in high quality companies. 99% of stocks in India are low quality stocks. Only 1% of stocks are high quality stocks, and make sure to invest here. If you want to create huge wealth, if you want to create huge money in the stock market, then you have to invest in this 1% of high quality companies. Now have to determine whether the company is high quality or low quality by analyzing its financial health, by analyzing the growth, the profitability, the economic modes of the company. So based on these factors, financial health, growth, profitability and economic modes, we will determine whether the company is low quality company or it's a high quality company, and make sure to invest in high quality stock. But the thing is, great business or great stock bought at an expensive price can be a bad investment. Yes. And bad business bought at a cheap price can be a good investment. But I want the best of both worlds. I want the best of both worlds. So I want you to invest in good business or good stock at cheap prices. Now this is the technique to generate high returns by taking very low risk. Invest in good businesses when they are trading at cheap prices. So that is pillar number 5. Favorable prices. Invest in high quality companies or high quality stocks when they are trading at favorable prices with adequate margin of safety. And obviously SSB, Stock Market Success Blueprint course, will take care of this. So by the end of 21 episodes, you will learn how to invest in great businesses at cheap prices. So this course, that is SSB, will cover everything on how to analyze the financial health, growth, profitability, economic modes and obviously the favorable price as well. So by the end of 21 episodes, you will learn how to invest in good business at cheap price. So that's it for today, guys. And I will meet you in episode 3, where I am going to cover the biggest scam, that is tips and recommendation scams in India. And in case if you are new here, then please consider to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications as and when I upload a new video. This is Vishnu Dikonda signing off.